Hey, Mr. Gregory here, and I want to give you a quick rundown of some of the Halloween songs that we're going to play for October 20th at Children's Festival in Park West, and probably October 27th at Citadel Mall, maybe with my band, so I could work those details out. So, Flaming Flamenco, y'all know that pretty good, but here's a part to practice. E, switch to A minor, then get ready, and... Right? That's the end of the chords into the high second melody. A lot of people miss that. Use your dots, okay? Use your eyes. Here's one more time. Play along with me. E to A minor to a 1, 2, E chord, and E, switch to A to use your eyes, and dun, dun. Okay, the next tune, see Hedwig's theme. I have some students that can play that whole thing. The hard part is... You got to work on that if you're playing that, okay? Otherwise, most students are just playing this. 2, 3, strawberry, or 6, 3, 2, 6. Dun, dun, do, do, do. Okay, pretty easy. The middle or the ending is 5, drum, 5, drum, drum, 5, drum, 5. Unless you're doing that hard melody, okay? This tutorial is not for you for that. Okay, Come Together by the Beatles. The introduction is 2, ready, and... If you just want to do the bass, D, D, bun, dun, bun, it's okay. Dun, 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 dun. Then the bass. Changes 5 E, D, E, G bass, F in the singing, pause, back to the intro. Okay, then it does that whole thing again. I'm not going to play it all right now, but the next time after the G bass, got to be good looking, he just do what he please. Chorus. Come together right now over me. I'll do that chorus one more time. So you're either doing the B, G, A, or you're doing the D, D, A. B, G, A is the bass, okay? Or B, G, A, or the bass. B, I'm going to play the bass and the melody. You focus on what part you're going to learn. Okay? 1, chorus, so get ready for the bass or the come to. 1, 2, and come to bass. Okay, if you need to pause that and work on it, do that now. Okay, Blackbird. Love to do this song. It's not a scary song, but it is called Blackbird, so if you want to do that, let's do it. I'm not going to do a tutorial on that now. Okay, so Thriller, the bass for Thriller, okay? It's like so. C sharp, B, C sharp, E, F sharp, C sharp. Or some students are doing it up here. C, sh, B, C, sh, E, F, C, sh, C, sh. I like to use my second finger, then first finger. Instead of using one finger back and forth. Same with over here. I go third finger, fourth finger, third finger, instead of hopping a finger fast. So that helps me play faster, and I don't get tired as much. Let's try Thriller one more time. I'm going to do the introduction by myself. Short introduction. Unless you know the intro. Get ready for the bass or the da-da-da-da-da-da. Get ready. Just me first. Ready, me. 1, 2, ready. Ba, 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 ba. pause that, rewind it, work on it if you need to. There's one change in Thriller. It goes, it's like A, F, sh, ba, 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 ba. It goes right back into that riff really fast. That's when he says, killer, thriller, yeah. Okay, the next Halloween song is going to be Addams Family. All right, some students can just do the snaps or the taps. Tap, tap. Okay, but the scale is the D scale. Just like Tons 2. G, G, F, G. Okay, but backwards. D, E, F, G. And now it does the E scale. E, F, G sharp, A. Repeats. Then back to D. So it changes the scale twice, okay? So work on that. And then for the, they're creepy and they're kooky. Da, 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 da. You can do the bass notes or the chords or the melody. You have to pick one and try to master it in 3 weeks. So the bass or the chords is okay. But I definitely would like some people doing the melody. So I'm going to show you the bass for right now, okay? The bass notes for this are G, A, D, G, G, A. You can do open D, G. All right, that just repeated. G, A, D, G. What does that spell? Gadg. So remember, gadg. Here it is. 1, 2, ready, and G, A, D, G, G, A. The Addams Family repeats G. When people come to see him, G, A, D. Back to the scale, D, E, F, G. Now the E scale, E, F, G, A. Okay, so that's the main parts of the Addams Family. If you want to do the melody, you will need to read the music for that, okay? They're creepy and they're kooky. Okay, something like that. So, any other songs I need to work on for Halloween music? Well, we could do the waltz from book 2. That'd be cool if I have some book 2 students ready to play that. And let me know if you have any ideas, okay? So we can work on all those songs in your lessons. If you don't want to do one of the songs or you don't have enough practice time, that's okay. I want you to decide what you can do. Some people can always play drums. Oh, Believer by Imagine Dragons. That's another one that's pretty cool, okay? Bass is pretty easy. 5, 6 F, open E, okay? Bass is pretty easy. Melody takes some practice. Here's the break. Rest, slide, A, F, E, whoops. Rest, slide. Okay, so that's our Imagine Dragons Believer. And let me know if you have any questions. Check out my performance calendar, GregoryGuayMusic.com or Gregory Guay Music on Instagram and Facebook. And streaming, I have Gregarious Grooves Trio, a cool Latin jazz trio, a couple other projects that I'm streaming as well. So please check them out, and happy Halloween. I look forward to playing soon.